guys, we're back with another video. You guys know how I am. I'm always gonna... Damn, 7 minutes away. I was hoping to do a longer drive today. I didn't expect it to be just 7 minutes, but I might just drive past it, honestly. I just want to get some content for you guys. Let's put this thing in sport mode a little bit. This car is insane. I'm not gonna lie to you. This car is insane, man. Actually crazy though. I'm not gonna go. I don't want to chance it. All these cars. I should have just took it. That's cool. The only downside with the window being this small is like when you're underneath the light, you can't see if it's green or red or nothing. I'm hoping it's the same as that light. I'm seeing trucks, I'm seeing everything. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Nothing really beats a first gear pull in this car though. Second gear is cool too, but that first gear pulls. Damn, the car is burbling like crazy right now. It's a good thing I'm going to the car wash after this. There's so much dust back here. Oh, I love this car, man. I love it. Can I fit? Let's see. I probably can a little bit. I really hope no train comes here right now, but we fit, we fit. Oh yeah, and somebody asked me in my DMs, like, how do you come up with content or things like that? Honestly, YouTube is pushing out longer videos. Sometimes I kind of care more about like just posting content. So for that case, like I'll post like 4 10-minute videos. So like as soon as I hit like 10 minutes on here, or I'll try to record like 11 to 12, because after you edit it and cut out some parts, it comes down to like 10 minutes or 10 minutes and 30 seconds, whatever. So as long as you get in that ballpark and you're posting consistently, you'll be good to go. So that's why like many of my POVs, they aren't like, they're really not long at all. I could make them long, but I feel like it's not really worth it. Well, one, is not really, oh shit. One, it's not that worth it for me, and two, I don't really need to make it long. Especially if you're entertaining during the first couple minutes, then you should really be fine, you know? Just like how I'm doing right now. Let's see. Second gear. Woo! This car is insane, man. Insane. Nah, this car is really crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. Traffic. That's the only thing. Back here, you really should have a truck, because it's so much dirt roads and stuff back here. It's crazy. Right. Look at the trash. Can you make a U-turn here? I think so. We're just gonna make it and see what happens. Oh, also, I put out some polls on IG, and some people were asking me about like, how do you get work from home jobs if you're in tech? There's a bunch of them. I think the problem is finding the right one that meets your needs, and then two, you know, hold on, let me make this turn real quick, make sure there's no cops, nothing. But yeah, finding one that meets your needs is hard, man. Let's do it. If you guys only felt the torque on that, it probably doesn't look crazy in person, but I think she sounded crazy. So crazy, man. But yeah, finding a work from home job in tech is a little bit hard, especially one that meets your needs, because then sometimes some of the companies want to micromanage you, which I hate. Like for me, I just love when people tell me, all right, make sure to have this done by Friday, but I'm gonna probably have it done by Wednesday, but I'm gonna bang it out, you know? Finding a work from home job is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's so much better, like, your quality of life is much better. I get to do so many things. Like, you could do laundry, you can, if you gotta, you know, let's say you have to get maintenance done inside of your house, you can have people come over and do work and stuff. Like, there's so much stuff that you could do. Order food, like the freaking list is unlimited. You can, there's so many different options when you're doing this stuff. So that's why, I don't know why some people don't like to work from home. Me personally, I love it, man. the quality of life is much better, and I don't mind working longer hours because I'm home. I'm comfortable. I don't need to be in a suit or nothing. Like, I'm comfy. So that's why I just really like it, honestly. That's why for me, I'm totally fine with it. Working from home is the wave. Like, anybody who goes into the office, salute to you, but any job that I get now, I try to get it where it's either fully remote or it's hybrid. So some of them are doing like you go in 2 to 3 days a week and then you get to work home the rest of those days. So it really just comes down to you, honestly. Whatever is gonna fit your needs. Like, for me, I know for a fact, right, some of the stuff I might not be able to get fully remote, even though I love the job, right? If the salary is really good and they want me to come in 4 days a week and then stay home Friday, then that's the thing I'm gonna do, you know? So every job is different, every company is different, but COVID definitely helped a lot of this. Like, COVID pushed a lot of people to get remote work, and it's the same thing. Like, if you go into the office, you're just gonna plug in your laptop and get right to work. If you work from home, do the same thing. You plug in your laptop, your monitors, and you get right to work. So it's just, it's simple, honestly. Once you know what you want, it's simple. But I just like to work from home because I get to play my music. I get to, you know, it's like, it's so many benefits. People have no idea, man. People have no idea. And this is only for the people that are good at their job. If you're good at your job, you can multitask and do all these things. If you're not good at your job's gonna take up most of your time, and you're gonna feel like, damn, all I do is work. So if that's the way you are, then it's not for you. But yeah, guys, should I keep it going until I get off? I don't know. Debating on it. Come on, buddy. See you, I see you. But yeah, that's pretty much how it is. That's the only thing. People really can't drive, man. Like I said, in Florida, people cannot drive, man. They cannot drive. Oh shit. Bench driver going crazy. He's going crazy right now. Alright, it's time to get over. It's time to get over because all these people are not driving. And then I don't get these people. They have a big gap in front of them and they still just drive like 40 miles an hour. I just make it make sense to me. I don't understand what it is, but again, you meet the slow pokes in traffic who don't want to drive. Then you got people stepping on their brakes like this one. yeah, I'm about to head to the car wash and run some errands right now. But I hope you guys are enjoying the POV footage. But yeah, in the comments, let me know what other video ideas you guys want, or what other content you guys want to see, and I'll make sure to get that uploaded for you guys. So please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.